the channel. This is my first YouTube video. We are unboxing the Dji Mini Pro, and I'm going to unbox it now. I'm opening this thing. This is actually a cool bag to carry it around, so they actually did a great job at doing this. And this one came with the drone. That's the drone. It's in here. And this is the controller, bigger than the old one. And this, the instructions. And what else is in here? Oh, we have, this is a battery, I think. So I'm going to unbox this first. So. Wait. Oh, this is the kit for the little batteries in here and the remote control. I'm gonna try to open this. The final touch. It is the drone. So this is the drone packed up. Read the manual and stay tuned and tell how it works. This camera is ultra light and foldable. This thing has active optical sensing, like focus track, and waypoint, light, and hyperlapse. It is also 4K HDR video, and this has 48 megapixel photo and true vertical shooting and 34 minutes flight time. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so guys, we're on the plane, and guess where we are? You see that red rocky sand? It's Sedona, Arizona. And comment down below if you ever been there. I would love to see if you've actually been there. So comment down below if you've been there. We're gonna test out our drone there. Now my daddy's just like setting up the drone. Just wait until I just fly that, because my daddy's going to teach me how he can fly that. And now you see the famous Bell Rock. Alright, so guys, if you have been to Arizona, then write in the comments down below. And also, this is our first time trying out our drone, and also just look at the view. It is like so cool, and you can even see the famous Bell Rock over there, which is actually insanely cool. And also, you can see all the cool mountains, which is actually very, very, very cool. And even you can see all the roads. My favorite mode is following roads. So basically, you just walk and then the drone literally just follows you. Like, how cool even is that? Even if you're just riding a bike or like doing anything or like walking, the drone can follow you. also have to like set up the settings to start that mode. And also there's a mode called scenic mode, just without anything, without doing anything. You can comment about very cool things that you see in Sedona, Arizona in this footage. So guys, if you ever go near Grand Canyon, you have to stay at these pods. These pods have different themes. I just love to stay there. Don't forget to like and subscribe and smash that bell.